Yajimudi fa Yajimudi.
Chairman, Ejenya Babedru. What is going to be special from this finals from the previous ones?
This one, the unforgettable. That is how we've christened it. Your friend, the unforgettable final. Two things, but three things in the best and the out. Back home, the match proper, the match itself. So the way Golden Cake this season, almost big clubs, almost Yakas of Vogue film, almost Yikarela for film, almost Tipping, Crow, a trying to visa, almost 3-1. That is an emphatic statement too. And the finals, they have gotten here on good performance, on form, merit. And Obiano, an ashes attack this season, I will do this stage. But on the other hand, as Asante Kotoko, we have their season acco, and we the waiter, their share every cup. And ministers Asante Kotoko, so we all my dream pass on baby. Yan is to be and you be, but do be to me, I will be. And the match, the two teams are poised, and you cannot say one is even underdog. It's going to be a very tough match. And the match in Ankasa will be an unforgettable match. And I say, Kofa has legends, any Kotoko legends, you be reignited the old battles are unfinished battles. You be reignited our battles, in the curtain raiser. And that will also be an unforgettable game. Charles Taylor, Mamankwam Reku, Ajatete, Samuel, Samia J, Don Bote, the Danquays, Charlie, Omone, the Eric Bequains, Kotoko, Nia J, Gordon Ablode, Charlie, from, Amos from Pony, Charlie, it's going to be an interesting battle. And see, two games Nina has its own attractions. And then we and the entertainment bit, the show bit, the lighting, the LED pitch panels, the DJ loft, DJ Kojo Manuel MC, Charlie, the opening ceremony. We have a show.
Mpacho na Dana yan share nim say ebesi with regards to entertainment and then other off the pitch vibes are ebe mama fo ani age kra wo park no so. Ubo MCBD ni na se for but no be bisa say any music artist be oba perform ana.
Those things are surprises you should expect. Say if you can find a beer there, always
surprise be
those are surprises so yet to but there will be surprises. But I can assure you that this is going to be the biggest final.
This is going to be the biggest MTN FA Cup final.
Yeah.
And but Jonah, Moji Senwo Gate.
10 cities. Popular stands. VIP. Center line 20 cities. Popular VIP 100 cities. VVIP 200 cities. To say at the top end, we are charging the real rate. I say heavily discounted by Utum for Gaman Chene and Penyphobia or more.
Wow. And since 10 cities no there Penyphobia and Mamoya sir.
I am Penyphobia because of it's like they are subsidizing almost per se supporters between me, but almost sponsor, almost discussions
have been disqualified.
Wow. Now, you said previously winners of the FA Cup have gone on to play in the Confederations Cup. Dreams Mamo, very good spectacle 2 seasons ago. Unfortunately, and Swachaman couldn't replicate. More GDS said, we now be emerging from FA Cup no. Wabeshe competition then by being worthy representatives in Africa.
Yeah, bonfire. Say being a winner or beat me a crochet in Myanmar, Africa. Yankubon Bibia, yeah, there is to organize it, and then they are carrying in a share at this.
Security arrangements for the event. Mpacho who something saying.
Tight. It's an NTN FA Cup. It's the final game of the season. Tight. Bibia, it will be very peaceful, like any FA Cup final.
And I'm sure we're going to go by the new match day protocols agreed after the incident in Nswache.
Yes. You do. You can't bring any sharp object, not even a key. And never say shake of war. We make sure that it's safe.
Honorable, yeah, that's it. And we look forward to communicating and partnering even more before the event on Sunday.
May the trophy the studio.
You are always welcome. I fear you are coming to Max FM, Max TV, okay?
Of course. That's why headquarters. Yeah, the trophy in the fee.
But me and you go on finish business, so you know so.
I'm so excited. So you'll be on the TV commentary,
Of course, Alhamdulillah.
The way I am here, very idea we don't.
Yes, we have a boy. Nabi come on.
I say, oh,
Chairman, yeah, that's Yamisha. All right. That's Honorable Wilson Atta. He's chairman of the MTN FA Cup committee. And I pick you. I pick you. Break. You bar. You the gotta